Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and welcome to my little corner. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, I hope you get to subscribe and join my lovely subbies over here. We have a lovely corner going on. And yeah, if you don't want to miss a video of mine, you can always press the notification bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. Today's video is going to be me testing out the 35G Bronze Goals Palette from Morphe. Basically, that's the only thing I did in this video. I basically showed you a makeup tutorial using this palette and what the look I created on my eyes and how I created it and what shades I used. I'm going to give you like a bit of a review. I actually like the palette itself. It's actually packaged nicely and it's like not the normal average Morphe palette, you know, the black packaging and it's just plain and simple. No. This comes on like this and it's like more summery themed, and yeah, it just says, you know, summer is coming basically. As for the shade range, I really like it. I just hate that they don't, I don't get it. Why do they still do these things? That's just stupid. I don't like that the names don't come in on the box, because even when I have to like tell you guys what shades I use, it's just so annoying. So basically the shade range actually is quite varied and it's offers a lovely shade range. You have like the darks over here, which offer for a great smoky eye, but then you also have the pinks, you have some oranges, you have some yellows, you have a lot of browns, and the matte browns really work on really well. They blend out really well. They're very pigmented. The matte shades are very pigmented, but then you have the shimmer shades. That's me throwing it in the garbage, because the shimmer shades are shit, man. And it's just so strange that this company produced the Jaclyn Hill palette and those shimmer shades are amazing, but this one, like example, I use this one which is called So Golden, and like, okay, fine, on the finger it comes out nice, but then when you actually swatch it, okay, it swatches all right, like, but there's no shimmer, there's no pigment to it, as you can see. And even when you'll see in the video, when I applied it on my eyelid, it was very difficult for me to work with it. In fact, I topped it up with some other product. This is not all Morphe, because it was too, you know, I needed a bit more oomph. So yeah, the shimmer shades don't work as well. I had seen reviews where they did say this, but I do agree. Apparently the shade next to it, which is Sol, which is sun, I guess, is sort of more pigmented. I don't know. This is Sol, and they've been saying that this obviously is, yes, it comes out more pigmented than So Golden for sure. But like, you know, for Morphe, they should be coming out with palettes with good shimmer shades by now, like, hello. But the matte shades, I cannot complain. They're alright. And yeah, that was the only shimmer shade I've tried. And I also tried this one right here, which is called the Glare, which is fine. It's a highlight shade basically. And I'm just gonna swatch that for you. Don't know if I had like another shade. Well, as you can see, again, it's not as pigmented, so I really don't understand. I just use it for my inner corners and my brow bone anyways. So yeah, I don't know. I wasn't really impressed by it. So yeah, but overall the matte shades performed well. But yeah, you'll just see now how it basically tests out in the tutorials. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And here we go. Here is how the shadow, the palette works, and it's me basically creating a makeup eye look with this palette. And this video specifically only focuses on the eye makeup. So yes. Anyways, I'm gonna go now and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Okay, so the first shade I use from this beautiful palette is called Sandy, and it is like a matte light brown shade, and I'm just blending this out in my crease. I'm using a Milani blending brush, which I love and know and trust. And then I use Deserted, which is a slightly darker shade than Sandy, and I just apply this on top of Sandy. And I immediately notice how the shades blend out really quickly. So the matte shades for me are doing a good job so far. The third shade I use is called Naked, and it's sort of a matte ginger shade. It's darker than the other two shades I've already used, and I just literally try and bury it deep into my crease. And then I basically go back with a big fluffy blending brush and I blend all the colors together. I also apply Sandy a bit more on the top part to blend out any harsh edges. I then use a shade called Record Temps, which is like a matte brick red. That's what it says on the website, although I see it as more of like a dark brown shade if you're asking me. And I just apply it onto my outer corner and then I blend it inwards. And then to intensify the outer corner, I use another shade called Tan Up, which is like a dark, rich brown shade. And I just do the same steps I did with Record Temps and just to build up that outer corner. And now I just blend out everything together. For this look, I did a half cut crease and you can see over here in fast motion how I did that. And then for a base shimmer shade, I use the shade called So Golden, which is like a metallic bold gold shade. However, as you will see very soon, it did not quite come out as I expected it to. Oh yeah, before I applied that, I actually also basically removed the harsh edges with the shade called Tan Up. So yeah, as you can see, So Golden is really bad with the brush. I have to go in with my fingers to basically intensify the pigmentation of these shimmer shades. And somehow it actually worked out at the end. But yeah, I had to definitely use my fingers for that. And I just blended out everything. So yeah, and I actually used the Pixie Liquid Fairy Lights in the shade Sunray to basically intensify that shimmer shade because I wasn't having it. So yeah, and then I patted everything with the brush. So yeah, I am not so happy with the shimmer shades because they should be good. And then I just applied some eyeliner, very, very tin natural eyeliner. I don't know how you can say it, but yeah, that's it. I'm using an Essence felt tip eyeliner basically. And then I use the shade called Record Temps to put it on my waterline. And I also use the shade Deserted as well to sort of blend out the shade. And then for my inner corner, I use the shade called Glare and also for my brow bone. And that was basically the tutorial that I have for you today. I hope you like this look. In my opinion, the palette is okay. However, the shimmer shades were quite bad. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!